Here is a step-by-step pathophysiology of Parkinson's disease, a progressive neurodegenerative disorder primarily affecting motor function due to the degeneration of dopaminergic neurons. 1. Neurodegeneration begins in the substantia nigra. The substantia nigra pars compacta, SNC, a region in the midbrain, contains neurons that produce dopamine, a neurotransmitter critical for controlling movement. In Parkinson's disease, PD, dopaminergic neurons in the SNC begin to degenerate and die off. 2. Decreased dopamine production. As these neurons are lost, dopamine levels decrease in the striatum, especially the putamen and caudate nucleus, which is a part of the basal ganglia. Dopamine is essential for modulating motor signals sent from the brain to the muscles. 3. Basal ganglia circuit dysfunction. The basal ganglia regulate voluntary motor control, motor learning, and routine behaviors. In PD, dopaminergic depletion leads to an imbalance between excitatory, glutamate, and inhibitory GABA neurotransmission. This causes overactivity of the indirect pathway, increased inhibition of movement, underactivity of the direct pathway, reduced facilitation of movement. Motor symptoms appear. The disruption in the basal ganglia circuitry results in the cardinal motor symptoms of Parkinson's disease. Bradykinesia, slowness of movement, rigidity, stiffness of muscles, resting tremor, postural instability. 5. Lewy body formation. Inside the affected neurons, abnormal protein aggregates known as Lewy bodies form. These are composed mainly of alpha-synuclein, a protein that becomes misfolded and accumulates. Lewy bodies disrupt cell function and contribute to neuronal death. 6. Progressive neurodegeneration. The neurodegeneration spreads beyond the substantia nigra to other areas like locus coeruleus, affecting noradrenaline production, dorsal motor nucleus of the vagus nerve, cerebral cortex, eventually leading to cognitive and emotional symptoms. 7. Non-motor symptoms develop. As other brain regions become affected, non-motor symptoms begin to appear. Depression, anxiety, sleep disturbances, cognitive impairment, dementia, autonomic dysfunction, e.g. constipation, orthostatic hypotension. Summary of the pathophysiology sequence. 1. Degeneration of dopaminergic neurons in SNC. 2. Decreased dopamine in striatum. 3. Basal ganglia circuit imbalance. 4. Impaired motor control. 5. Formation of Lewy bodies. 6. Spread of neurodegeneration. 7. Emergence of non-motor symptoms. Thank you. Have a nice day.